Good morning, vlog. I have another vlogmas day for you. Right now I'm finna go get me some breakfast because I'm hungry, and then I'm really going to start my day because I need to pay some stuff, get some stuff, and I'm probably going to cook today. So y'all gonna see me in the kitchen. So let's go get me some food, and then I'll be back home to eat, and I'm gonna really start my day. Y'all, I done got stopped by the train, y'all. It is now 10:07. Breakfast end at 10:30. Like, I ain't even ordered yet. Like, come on, this is not the best timing right now. Okay, chat. Now I'm finna fold these towels. Y'all ignore Jada. But yeah, I'm finna fold these towels real quick and start getting dressed. Okay, y'all. So I'm all dressed now. I just got on like some jeans, y'all really can't see, and just a sweater because it is raining. But before we step out the house, you know we have to put on that smell good, and this right here, so good, y'all. Like, it be smelling so good. I love it. I need to get me some more. It's the caramelized vanilla and macadamia. Top 10. Okay, chat, so I've made it to the first stop, and that is Target. I need some.
Yeah, she's vlogging. I forgot. So you got your friends in the back of your video looking like hobos. I don't want to be on that thing.
Too bad you are. They should know to come dress with me. They should know.
VLOGMAS. If it wasn't VLOGMAS, she would have on some sweatpants and the damn that day would. So please.
You're right. I would. But you know what? You gotta do it for the vlog. Y'all, look at these wine glasses. They're from the Love is Blind. Cute. Only $3.
I know what to get you.
Ain't nothing really over here. Y'all, they got the puffer jackets that I was talking about. Y'all, they got them. Yes. Yeah, that's cute. How much is it?
$35.
That's not bad. I don't know.
They do the price match at Target.
Yeah, I'm finna do the
You gotta put it with some red.
Oh, that's cute. This on sale?
$28.
It's not bad.
I tried to get my mama to buy me one, and she was like, "It's great quality though. It's not that cheap."
What y'all think? What y'all think?
It's cute.
Cute? Mm-hmm.
That's my favorite. I'm saying maybe I'm wrong.
What is that? Oh, it's a skirt?
This dress.
Y'all, look at the Christmas stuff. These are all kids. I'm gonna do kids. Yeah, I'm trying to get them to do matching PJs, but I don't think they're gonna do it. These are some cute boots, y'all. Y'all think so? Or they look too chunky?
I don't like the rhinestones.
Oh, I kind of like the rhinestones.
It's not mine.
Don't really see anything. Other boots. Here's some black ones. Oh, it's tiny plants, roses. Oh, look at this one. This one's only 14.
What you mean? That ain't in your card, sister. I don't know if that's your card either.
Hey, y'all, we in the Christmas section. Huh? Why do you want to know what I came here for? Y'all, what's your favorite type of wine? Do they have it? Bro, don't nobody ever have it. Red apple watermelon Stella berry.
Like a dark berry. Like, I don't want to say blueberry because it's got a little bit of grape in it. It tastes like a dark berry. If that makes sense.
I mean, it's only one left, but I mean.
But I don't know. I don't want to be the one.
Okay, For one, I need deodorant. I love me a good Dove. Y'all always grab stuff from the back, like me.
Oh,
she got water. Okay. Can you move the car? Y'all know they sell Stanley cups here? Yes.
my little brother wants one.
That's cute. I need a new
want
one.
that color right there. But you want it like a water bottle.
I need a whole
Oh,
new
why
one.
they still got this stuff?
Yep. Okay, y'all. So this the look. Tighten up.
That word tripped me, ain't it?
Yeah, tighten up.
Phrase.
This is the best lotion ever.
Why is it
Love
the only
this.
one they got? Because everybody taking on
Yeah, everybody take all the other ones. Y'all, she finna go. Cause why are you doing this people's stuff? Help. Alright, y'all, so we just left out Target. Finna probably go to either the wine store or JT, if you hit that car. So yeah. Would you like somebody from F?
She said she do it like an effort.
Oh. Got the trunk open for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, y'all, so now we are at the liquor store. Oh, they got it, y'all. They finally have it. They finally have it.
Yeah, they got it either.
Yeah, they got it. Strawberry rose.
No, why the fuck? How they go from $8 to $10? Maybe from $24.
Cause it's a bigger one.
But still.
Y'all, this one right here is so good. I love this one. It's pretty straight. But I don't really drink other ones.
$4.79.
What small?
This XXL one, $4.79. Should I do $4.97 or just
Guava?
how much percent of alcohol is it? Oh, it says cash, and I got cash. Okay, this ain't number.
Yeah, that's why this one like $9 if you get cash.
I'm gonna try a goblin.
Chad, which one should she get?
Big one, $5, $9. It's not really.
I say $9.
Yeah. All them all 5%. I need 16. I need at least 10. Charity goblin.
Yeah, look at this. I'm surprised ain't nobody took them.
Cause what you gonna do with them bags?
A lot of black folks like to collect that stuff.
Somebody stole my orange one. I'm finna get.
Yeah. Look at this. We all got a bottle of wine.
Sometimes you carry like.
Okay, y'all. Now we are at Walmart. JT got her umbrella, but oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh, funny. The second Okay, chat, so we made it home, and today's menu is chicken Caesar subs. So I'm probably gonna fry the chicken and then do fries as well. So that's the menu for today. Okay, so right now I'm gonna pour in some oil so it can start heating up. Don't want to put too much oil because it won't fry. So we're gonna let that warm up, and then now I'm gonna start prepping the chicken. All right, so I've cleaned and washed my chicken. So make sure y'all do that. Then I got all my seasonings: lemon pepper, onion powder, paprika. Got some hot sauce, salt and pepper, garlic powder. Not too much, you know? So now we're gonna season the chicken. Okay, vlog, now I'm gonna put some flour in here, and make sure you season your flour. You use the same seasoning you did for the chicken. Just season. These are so cute, aren't they? I feel like they're the aesthetic. They are. For it's now prepped. See, there's some coloring in here. I don't know if y'all see. There. Now I'm just gonna do the process. First, check your oil and make sure it's hot enough. Take some flour, pitch it in. I'm gonna give it a little bit more. Take it up.
You talking about me on that vlog?
I always come to steal somebody's snacks. Alright, so the first batch of chicken is in. You don't want to crowd them too much. Let them cook on each side good. You don't want no raw chicken, so make sure you cook it good. Okay, now since the chicken is almost done, I'm starting to prep the salad. So I got some romaine lettuce, wash it, and then I'm gonna mix it with the Caesar dressing. Yeah, I should do that. Cooking with Z. Cooking with Z.
I'm dead.
Cooking with Kaya. Cooking with Kaya. Chicken is now done. I'm gonna let it cool and rest, and then finish making the salad.
Your mind is from this? Damn, right now I'm so hard brain.
Last thing is the bread. It's whole bread. And just cut it up. Okay, so right now I'm gonna cut up the chicken and put it with the salad and just mix it all up. Okay, y'all, so I done cut up the chicken. It looked good. So now I'm just gonna put it into the bread and then it's ready to eat.
Might be nasty, but might be going to get you fucked up.
What? That wing cut?
Excellent.
tell.
This is good. Finish off with some Parmesan cheese. All right, here's the final product. All we gotta do is cut it up and enjoy. All right, y'all, this is the final product. All good. I like to add a little pickles to mine too. It'd be so good. Y'all, they real happy.
What I'm missing? Pickles.
Yeah.
Put them on the pickle train.
Want to see my plate?
Mm-hmm.
Scrambled the yum yum.
Well, guys, Ariana finally made it.
And I came bearing gifts. So, good thing. First gift.
She got the Lego set that we showed earlier, y'all.
Yeah. So, we'll start this. Hopefully, you know, it goes good.
But the real Christmas gift is
Da, da, da.
holiday pie. It's not an apple pie. It's a holiday pie. So mind your business.
I'm gonna see the link though, so you can pre-register. I know I look crazy on this camera.
It has vanilla custard in it.
That sugar looks like on it.
Ooh,
You wanna try some?
Of course not.
You know she knows.
Jesse, you wanna try some?
I'm good.
Jade, make me sweet.
Cocoa cake batter.
Yeah. It's just cake. It's not like Fruity Pebbles.
Taste this.
Fruity Pebbles?
This is what I want you to taste. You got a block Z?
Oh yeah. Look behind the wall. I mean the door. It's bad. Okay guys, we're watching Friday After Next. Jada over here taking an exam. JT making popcorn. And then we're finna build Legos. We already picked out which ones we're gonna get. Alright y'all, they have finished the makings of the Legos. We still have 3 more. How do you feel, Ariana?
Good.
Accomplished. Alright, that is it for the vlog. Y'all have a good night. Bye.